Hey crocheters, do you love to crochet blankets, but you're sick and tired of chaining a certain number of chains and then doing your single crochet row and realizing, I have too many stitches, or I don't have enough stitches, or something? Well, I have a solution for you. It's called the Foundation Single Crochet, and it's where you're doing your chain and your single crochet stitch at the same time, so you don't have to chain and then single crochet and then zoop, frog it all. Let me show you. Let me show you how to do a foundation single crochet. You make your slip knot, insert your hook, pull it tight. Then you're going to start with a chain 2. 1, 2. Then I usually work in this back bump right here. Go through the back bump of that first chain, the furthest one from your hook. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through one of those loops, yarn over again, pull through another one of those loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, does that make sense? We kind of made a chain and a single crochet at the same time. You can rewind and go back to the beginning where I talk about that if you need to restart that again. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next stitch because that's one foundation single crochet. Now when we're looking at it, this top part that's closest to the yarn, this will be your single crochet stitch. And then underneath, these are your chain stitches. So we kind of work the foundation single crochet upside down, where we're going to work into these chain stitches. You find that there's a V, and you flip it over, you see like the V of your chain stitches down here. So you go through both of those V loops, yarn over, pull through that stitch, okay, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we have 2 foundation single crochets. Let's do it again where we kind of flip it upside down. We're going to go through the chain, kind of both loops of that chain underneath. It's like that V. You see? Then we're going to yarn over to make our chain stitch and pull through 1. So that kind of counts as our chain. Then we're going to make our single crochet by yarning over, pulling through 1, yarning over, pull through 2. Okay, you insert your hook through that V, yarn over, pull through it, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2.